うん、光ってるよね。
This one here is articulation 3D printed. Yeah. The fingers are controlled by servo motor. Servo motor are the muscles. These ones are the tendon. So you can flick it. It's like as if he's using it. So the servo motors are programmed to move the hand. Yeah.
So ideally that life-size humanoid would be able to operate?
Yes, operate, walk around, yes.
So that's something the students are working on?
Yes,
wow.
Yes. And one of our, Dr. Eric Wang does a lot of work with our IT engineering and robotics. We have one of those. Yeah, so we will bring her next time you visit, and you bring a group like this. I can have them. They can drive her. You know, they can welcome and visit, and then they can go just